Hello everyone. Now, in analyzing our Likert ratings from the customer survey responses, we found a couple of areas that need improvement. So, in picking our lowest HCAHPS categories to improve upon, we decided to look at it in one of two ways. So, the first way to look at it would be which three categories scored the lowest in the very satisfied section. And the second way to look at it is which three categories scored the highest in the very dissatisfied section. So both essentially measure the negative aspects in our ratings, which we are trying to improve. Now, taking a look at our Likert frequency table, we'll find that responsiveness of hospital staff, pain management, and care transition had the lowest scores for very satisfied. So if our goal was to improve the categories with lowest very satisfied scores, these three would be it. And now when we look at it from the other angle, which three categories had the highest scores for very dissatisfied, we'll see that responsiveness of hospital staff, pain management, and care transition had the highest scores. So if our goal was to lower the highest rated very dissatisfied categories, these three would be it. Now, it may seem redundant, but it just so happens that for our data, responsiveness of hospital staff, pain management, and care transition were lowest in overall ratings when analyzing the data from both angles. So clearly we have opportunities for improvement here.